G'day, welcome to iCULTIVATE. My name's Steve. Today we're going to be looking at getting the season's first crop of snow peas in. We're coming towards the end of winter, there's no frosts around in this particular area, so I'm really keen to get some snow peas for use in our kitchen, ready and underway. Now there's only a few things that you need to be aware of when it comes to planting out your snow pea crop. The first of those is position. Position is really important because you need to have full sun, and full sun throughout most of the day. The reason for this is because snow peas do have a susceptibility to mildew, and so what you don't want is excess moisture lying around on the snow pea leaves. So make sure that you've got full sun. You can see here that we're in a full sun area. The second thing that you need to make sure is in place is structure. You need a structure for your snow peas to grow up and be supported by. Now, depending upon the variety of snow pea that you've selected, your snow peas are going to grow anywhere from about 1 metre up to potentially 2 metres high. And they cannot grow like that without support. So you need to make sure that you have a structure in place on which they can attach themselves as they grow. Now, the third thing that you need to have in place is really good quality soil. And really that applies to all vegetable gardening, because the soil is the basis of just about everything that you do within the gardening world. You need to make sure with snow peas that you've got a good, rich, organic matter based soil. So make sure that there's lots of organic matter in there, something that's going to hold the moisture but while still being well draining. Now, I previously prepared this soil with a good mixture of organic matter, including cow and sheep manure and some well-aged poultry manure as well. And what I've now done is I've prepared a trench that the seeds are going to be sowed into. The trench is about 2 inches deep. Something to be mindful of, I guess, is if you are going to plant in rows instead of around a support like I've got here, those rows probably need to be about 18 inches apart, about 1.5 feet apart from each other. So with my trench prepared, whether it is a circular trench like this or whether it's trenches in rows, I'm now going to sow my seeds a couple of inches apart. So that's about 5 centimetres apart. So let's sow these seeds into this trench. Once you have your seeds laid out in the trench, then you can backfill over and give it a slight tamp down. And then of course cover up with a light layer of mulch. The reason for the mulch is to ensure that there is good moisture retention within the soil, because particularly in dry areas you don't want to lose that moisture from the soil, and the mulch will help keep the soil moisture reasonably high. And lastly, as with all of these types of things, we finish up with giving you a good water in, and hopefully we will see within the next couple of weeks new snow pea plants starting to emerge. Now we're going to come back and have a look at how these snow peas are going in a few weeks' time, and I hope I'll be able to show you some plants well underway. Now I hope you've enjoyed this video and found some detail in it useful for you in your own garden. Can I ask you please to go down to the thumbs up and give us a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and go to our website iCULTIVATE.net and become a member of the community. Thanks for watching.